Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one, we change by sine of s over number 4 over cosine of s over number 4. This one, we have cosine of s over number 4 over sine of s over number 4. Next, we do common denominator in here, and that should be like this. So we have the formula in here. Sine a squared plus cosine a squared, that is about this one, equals to number 1. So this one we change by number 1. Next, we need to multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. So we have the second formula in here. 2 sine 8 cosine 8 equals to sine 2a. So that is about this one. And we have sine of s over number 2. The next one, we have the next formula in here. Cosine 2a equals to 2 cosine a squared minus number 1 and 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So I will put this one to change for this one and this one to change for this one. We know that cosine s, that is about number 2 multiplied by s over number 2. So capital 8, that is about s over number 2. So this one we change for this one. And this one we change for this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. So 1 minus 1 we cancel, negative and negative we change for positive. So number 2 and number 2 we simplified. And we know that cosine s over 2 divided by sine of s over 2, we have cotangent s over number 2 square. This one, we put number 2 to the power of 6 go outside. And this one we can change cosecant of s over number 2. So in this one, we can put cosecant of s over 2 to the power of 4. And cosecant of s over 2 square. Next, we have the formula in here. So in this one, that is about cotangent of x over 2 square plus 1, everything to the power of 2. Now, in this situation, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cotangent of x over number 2. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have negative 1 over 2, we need to multiply both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by u, and we have u square. This one we change by u. This one we change by negative number 2 du. So this one we have u to the power of 4046. This one we need to expand. Now this one multiplied by this one, and we have like this. Now we have the formula in here. So we put 4050 gone here, so we have 4051, and this one we have 4051, and now we have like this. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.